oras. Ay, nagdodo. Anak ko. Namanual mo wala. Sa karap.
Butat, motion.
Kulang sa oras. 500 mo siya.
Motion. Oh, ada tayo swimming pool. Chat lang. I'm doing something for me. I'm trying to remove my teeth, but it's not still moving so strong. Look, I am 7 years old. When I was in that other swimming pool, I was like 5. So I'm gonna show you my. I was 6 kaya. And I'm gonna show you this.
You are seven, no?
Sayang oras niya.
6.
But you cannot see a little bit. Me, I can see it at home. Today I were in a swimming pool. And this is my manang. Hi.
Again, later, delete that one.